Hi class, this is the 10th lesson for factorials, permutation and combination. Then we have a very nice equation here they ask us to solve. We want to find the value of n if this ratio is equal to this ratio. Okay. First of all, this ratio 3 to 4 can be written as 3 over 4. X to x minus 1 is x divided by x minus 1. So this is what we first need to acknowledge. Okay. So now what we are given, we can simply say 2n factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial. Because of that ratio, we divide. Because I just told you that 3 to 4 is 3 over 4. And 3 over 4 is the same as 3 divided by 4. So we say, we change this ratio to division. N factorial divided by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. So that 44 to 3 is 44 divided by 3. Okay, so what is next? We know that division sign in fractions, we usually change it to multiplication sign. And once it is changed to multiplication sign, we consider the inverse of the next fraction. So we say 2n factorial divided by 3 factorial is the same as 3 times 2 times 1. 2 factorial is the same as 2 times 1. So 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. So we say 6 into 2n minus 3 factorial. Oh, we change this one out to multiplication and we consider the inverse. So we say 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial over n factorial. This is in brackets, let us don't forget, which is 44 divided by 3. But this one, we swap it because of what? We change this to multiplication. But what is 2 factorial? 2 factorial is 2 times 1, which is 2. So 2 factorial is just 2. I hope it is clear. Okay, so with this one we have this 2n, there is 2n here. But if we expand any factorial expression with minus, we'll forever see minus. There will no way it will become plus. But if we expand n factorial or 2n factorial, the minus will later come. So by this expansion, we'll be able to see this. So let us expand this. So we say 2n, we write first what we are given, then we open. So we say 2n minus 1. Remember the last video I did when I said 2n factorial and 2n factorial, they are not the same. Write first what we are given. Look at it. Write what we are given. Look at this. What we are given minus 1. But this is not in bracket. So only the n that will be doing the successive subtraction. Something like this. But here everything is in bracket. So 2n minus 1. 2n minus 2 and so on. I hope it is clear. So if we are expanding this, first we write what we are given. Next, what we are given minus 1. What we are given minus 2. Can we stop here? No, because this is our target. So we say 2n minus 3. We can stop here because we've seen this. Do not forget what I've been emphasizing to indicate the factorial. So 6 into 2n minus 3. We don't need to expand this because we know that this is going to be knocked off. Then here is multiplication. Are we expanding this or we are expanding this? I just mentioned it here that expanding a factorial expression, expanding a factorial expression with a minus will forever give you minus. But the one with the plus or the single one will later give you minus. So we expand this. So let us maintain this. 2 multiplied by 2, n minus 2 factorial. So we'll come to this. N factorial is n into n minus 1, n minus 2. We stop here because we've seen this. The most important thing, we indicate the factorial. So this is 44 over 3. You have to be very much attentive. So I advise, if you are beginner to factorials this topic, so go through until you get to lesson 10. You'll be able to understand it very, very well. So n minus 2 factorial takes away n minus 2 factorial. Yeah. Single n takes away single n. This 2 into this is 3. Okay. So what is next now? Okay. So what is left here is 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. Here is 2n minus 2. 2n minus 2 over 3. Multiply by, at the top here is just 1. At the bottom here is n minus 1, which is equal to 44 over 3. This cannot cancel it because this is 2n. So we say 2 into 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2. There is something common. There is a multiplication sign here, please don't forget. So what is common between 2n and 2 is 2. So 2 into 2 takes away 2, leaving n. 2 into 2 is 1. So this is 3. 1 over n minus 1, 44 over 3. So now n minus 1 has now the right to take away n minus 1. 2 times 2 is 4 into 2n minus 1 over 3, which is 44 over 3. It is interesting that whenever you have one fraction equals to one fraction, if the denominators are the same, just ignore them. So easy. So we say 4 multiplied by 4 times 2n is 8n. 4 times 1 is 4. This is 44. Are you asking for 3? No, because one term equals to one term. If the denominators are the same, ignore them. So easy. So now we say 8n is equal to 44. This one goes there, plus 4. 8n equals to 48. So we divide both sides by 8 by 8. So our n is 6. So this is a very nice equation though. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to follow, like, share, and comment. See my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.